Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to deposit money in Exness using Tether USDT. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So now first, head over to your Exness and let's log in. Once you are on the home page, simply click on Profile icon at the bottom left. So now you also need to come over here and tap on Crypto Balance. Then now just come over here, then select Tether USDT, and then tap on Deposit. So now I just need to come over here and tap on Continue. Here, copy the address that was given to you. Then now we need to come over to our Binance. If you're coming over to your Binance, now the next thing which you need to do is come to this Assets section and come over to this Spot section at the top. And here, tap on Send and then select On-Chain Withdraw from drop-down menu. Now we just start searching for USDT. Yes, it is sent via crypto network. So now I'll just quickly paste address we just copied from our Exness. Next in the network field, select ERC20, then enter the amount you want to withdraw and simply click on this withdraw button. Then you just need to complete the withdrawal process. After that, your money will be deposited to your Exness successfully. So that's basically how you can deposit money in Exness using Tether USDT. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.